Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We're going to talk about number order. We're going to do the numbers 1 all the way to 20. Alright, so first of all, let's count to 20. Ready? As I touch them, we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Alright, so next I'm going to say a number and I'm going to let you, I'm going to give you just a few minutes, and when I say the number I want you to look on here and find it and touch it, and I will cover it up with a star and we'll see if you're right, okay? Get your brains ready, turn on your thinking caps. Alright, the first number that I want you to find with your investigator eyes is the number 6. Find the number 6. I'm going to give you a few minutes. Alright, time's up. This is the number 6. So we covered it up. Alright, here's a trickier one. Find the number 11. 11. Alright, I'm going to give you a few minutes. Time's up. Number 11 is a 1 with a 1. That's right, it's right here. Good job. Next, find the number 18. Now that one's one that gives you a hint. It's saying the number that's in it's saying one of the numbers in its name. 18. All right, ready? Look very hard. Time's up. Ready? Right there. It's a 1 and an 8 right here. Good. Next, I want you to find the number 13. 13. This one doesn't actually say its own name, so it's a little tricky. 13. Good. Let's cover 13 up. It's a 1 and a 3. Next, I want you to find the number 16. Oh, it says its own name. 16. That's right, a 1 and a 6 right down here. Good job, guys. Alright, last but certainly not least, we're going to look at these numbers, and we're going to drag the numbers in order, okay? Alright, so we have 1 all the way to, it's blank, 19, but it's going to be 1 through 20. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a few minutes. I'm going to count 1, and then we're going to look here and see what number's missing. And we're going to go down here and find it. I'll give you a few minutes, okay? Ready? 1, 2, good. All right, so let's look down here. Which one is the number 2? Be careful because some of them might have a 2 in it. Oh, that's right. This one is the number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So let's look down here. Oh, that one has a 5 in it, but it's got another number with it, so that's not it. 5. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Good. 6 comes after 5, so let's look. That's not it. That's not it. That's a really big number. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after 7? 8. Very good. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Good. Let's look for the number 9. There it is. It's blue. 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Good. A 12 is a 1 and a 2. So let's find that one. There it is. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good. Let's grab the 13. I found it. It's getting easier because most of our numbers are gone. 13, 14, 15. Good. Is it this one or this one? Good. It's the one with the 5 in it. A 1 and a 5. 15, 16, 17. Good. 18, 19, and 20. Very good. We did it. We put all the numbers in order. Great job. Miss you guys. Love you.